Welcome back YouTube fam, it's your boy Y, and in this video I'm actually going over a special request. And the request that I got in one of my videos was, could I please test out the Hollyland Lark M1 microphones? And this was from J Kelsey 7. I appreciate you, J Kelsey. Just like I commented it, I definitely was gonna try it out. Sorry, it took me a little bit longer than expected, but I have them here, so hopefully this video will help you. But I believe you would like me to test out connecting these to a mixer. So I'm also going to release a video on that soon as well. So just keep a lookout for that. But this one, it'll just be the unboxing. So currently, as you guys saw in previous videos, I have done the DJI Mic 2s, the DJI Mic Minis, the Hollyland Lark Max, which were really good, extremely powerful mics as well. And then I did these ones next. These are the ones you're currently listening to right now, the Lark M2S. And just like the Hollyland Lark Max, these work extremely well. So well that I'm trying not to talk louder because of how well they work. But for this one, I'm going over the Hollyland Lark M1s. Now, these are not new by any stretch of the imagination, but I do see a lot of people actually buying these, even though they're not newer. So these must be really good microphones. Let's test it out. Let's go ahead and pull it up, see what they look like here. Let me just open these up. All right, so we roll off the plastic. And one thing, give a quick shout out before I continue. Hollyland does a really good job of packaging their products. They may look pretty simple, but they do a really good job with packaging. Now, for the Hollyland Lark M1 series, as you can see, I chose the pink ones. There's no specific reason. I just want to choose anything else other than black. They have the black ones. They have these ones. They have purple ones and like one more color. So big shout out to Hollyland for being creative and actually choosing more than one color. I would like to see that with DJI and other mics. You know, get a little creative with the colors. Just throwing that out there, that's an idea. So when you open it, hold on, let me get that tape off. And before I throw that tape off, let me just put it across the back in case you want to pause the video. Some people care about specs. I don't necessarily care anything about the specs because it's all about the real world and how it will actually test out in the real world. How will it sound? Specs just make it look good. Let me just get this tape off here. Okay, so I got the tape off, and I'm going to open this up. Should come straight up. Okay, all right, so got it open here. Pull that off. When you pull it out, okay. All right, this looks nice. So you have a carrying case. So it comes with a carrying case. Just like with the Lark M2Ss, they came with a little pouch, which I think was pretty cool, but I think DJI, the Mic Minis, did a little better job on that one. Let me just remind myself what the pouch looked like because I haven't used it. So that way you guys can see it. Again, this is the pouch they came out with the recent Mic Minis, the M2Ss. So just throwing it out there. I think Hollyland did a little bit of a better job with these ones as far as packaging wise. Not hating on the newer the mini mics that they have, but I think they could have added a better carrying case, especially if DJI Mic Minis had theirs. And you can check out the video to see what I'm talking about. But so far this is good. It's gray, pretty good material. So not too bad, all right? gonna get that zipper off. All right. So we want to put this one to the side really quick. As you can see, it comes with fuzz. I call them fuzz tops, but these are like wind reduction. When you're trying to do it like outside, oops, dropped it. When you're trying to do it outside. All right. Comes with 2 of them. So 2. Another pouch. You get a aux cable to aux cable. This is pretty cool because at least tell you what this is for. So this is meant for the phone, and this one is meant for the microphone itself, which is, you know, not too many phones that all have the aux cable output. So I'm not sure why this has this, but you can always get an adapter, which is a Type C to aux, so, or aux to Type C, and you can just plug this in there. So that's still usable. All right. Then this one, obviously this is for the camera. Aux cable to aux cable is as well. You got this in the baggie. So when you open the baggie up, this one is an aux to Type C. So this throws me off a little bit. So they gave this cord, which says clearly connect this into the phone. But then you have this one, which says connect this into the phone. So maybe if you have an old school phone or a phone that still has, there is some phones that still have the little aux output, you can use this for that. But if you don't, you have this. So I guess I'll take my previous comment back. They did good. Give you more chances, more versatility. Then you have Type C, Type A for the charging, of course. I would love when it's just Type C to Type C, but that's just me. And then one more. If you have the old school the Thunderbolt, some of you still have the older generation iPhones that still have this port, they're showing love for you as well. So all together, they just gave a lot of these. This is good. Like 4 different cables, and of course the charging cable. You have the wind mufflers. What else is in here? What other goodies can I find? And just the booklets. That's about it. But all this in this little pouch. Now, when I unboxed the Hollyland Lark Max, I got a really good box like this, good pouch. Different color, obviously, but I got the same thing, a whole bunch of accessories. But I see this, it was a little bit different. Oh, sorry, I had the box on. It was a little bit different when I got this one. This one had that, to me, I'm gonna say that's an ugly pouch. I'm just gonna say it as is. I like when you get these type of pouches, these boxes. DJI Mic Mini did it, DJI Mic did it, but not this one. Again, there's no complaining really, because technically, forget that. There is complaining. I'm spending a lot of money on this, so yeah, I would like this. I would like as much stuff as I would want for the price that I'm paying for it. So just throwing it out there, Hollyland. We don't like the little pouches. We like these ones better. Please put these in all the future releases. And that goes for DJI as well. I think with the Mic Minis, it was still a pouch, but it was a nice pouch. DJI, we want these too. Give us the boxes. All right, without further ado, you got this. Whoa, kind of quick. All right, you have this. This is the pink version, and it looks really nice. Looks pretty nice. That's where you charge it. Logo. I think all of them have the yellow outlining right here. Not sure why they went with yellow. Then we open it, you see, power turned on. You have 3 different things. So you have the mic, which is also pink with the little yellow scheme. So that's pretty cool. Has a little button right here for power. Get a little closer, button for power. This one is to connect it with the main receiver here. You have this one, a clamp. You can clamp it onto your clothes. And of course the grill, I like these grills. I really do like the grills on the top. I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see it. They did the same thing with the Lark Max. I just think it looks pretty cool. I like that. It looks pretty nice. Overall, I'm liking just the way this looks. It looks really nice. I'm guessing the power is gonna show right there when I turn it on. All right, next you have this one, which is the receiver. You only get one receiver, 2 transmitters. Power button, aux cable going there. Same thing at the top. I'm gonna peel this off. Oop. I guess it's nothing there. It was just put in there for protection. On this side, you have what looks like, says, oh, sorry. You have plus and minus. Then you have a Type-C cable here. And this also has a clamp on it. And it looks like it's already turning on, so it's pulsating, so it's pretty cool. Put that to the side. Then of course you have the last one. And this one actually turned on. So the other one didn't turn on for some reason. Maybe it wasn't charging all the way. So cool. Looks like it's already connected. Already connected these two. And this one is still closed. Maybe it's still looking for it. So let me try to turn it on and see if it comes on. All right, so maybe this one is out of the box dead. So throw it in there. So it did recognize that it's right there. On the inside of the case, it looks like you have these 3 little dots here. I wonder what these mean. I wonder if it means they're charging. So let's throw that in here and also throw this in here. Oh, was there a bottom? Ah, the bottom was taped. Okay, hold on. So boom, gonna take that off. We're gonna throw that right in there. Boom, now it's charging. Okay, so it shows it's charging, you can see. Same thing, we're gonna rip the bottom off of this one as well. Boom. And we're gonna throw that in there. Same thing, last one, pull that off. And, all right, so all 3. This looks nice. All right, so overall, I like I guess you could say I like the way it looks. The presentation looks really nice. Maybe on my next video, what I'll do is maybe I could test these out. And I'll tell you if these are the ones in the video. May actually be pretty helpful for me to see. That way you can hear the sound. These look really nice, really nice. All right, just want to do a simple unboxing so you guys can see. I am going to release another video, and that next video will be me plugging this into a mixer. So I just wanted to throw that out there so that way you guys can look for it. But this is just a quick unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M1. All right, so I actually wanted to let you guys see something before I go. I figured I could do maybe a quick audio test so you guys can see it when connected to what I have right now. So without further ado, when you open it, remember I already took the tape off of it. It has the lights here. Now when I take the receiver out, boom, that's the receiver. And this is the transmitter, I only took one out. You see it's still pulsating because it's noticing that one is still in the box, so it's not connected technically to one. Let's connect this to what I'm listening to right now. So I'm just gonna pause really quick and I'm gonna connect this to my camera right quick so that way you guys can see it. All right, so the sound that you are listening to right now is actually not coming from my Lark M2S. This is the sound coming directly from the Hollyland Lark M1. Test, 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 test. I'm just saying that just to see if you guys can hear anything different. So that is currently the sound. I'm talking right now, right out of the Lark M1s, and so far they seem to be working fine. They work pretty good. Again, I like this grill that it has on the top of it. It looks really nice. If you're wondering if you can connect this to, like, maybe you have like a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or 2, this does work. So just to throw it out there, I've tested it, it is working. Currently that's what I'm talking out of. I got this connected to actually a Pocket so I could see if I could test the sound really quick. But overall this looks really nice. So I just wanted to throw that out there before I let you guys go. If you do have any questions in the meantime or any special requests, please let me know in the comments section below. And without further ado, I shall let you guys go. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.